Reviewing KEC International, let's begin with rankings. Earnings rank is 61.7. A rank that is above 70 in a stock is worth considering for a look to buy the stock. When it is below 70, that means it is not qualifying on the earnings rank. So how this ranking is done? Profit growth of the company is taken for quarterly as well as annual trailing 12-month returns, giving a weightage. Then it is tracked against the list of stocks that we have in the track list. Presently we have around 680 stocks. In that, this stock is ranking at 61.7. That means about close to 40% of stocks among that list which we are tracking is better than KEC in the market on the earnings growth. On price growth, rank is at 78. So it is getting closer to 80. That means this stock is worth a look to buy. So why, when earnings rank is down, price rank is up? There can be something positive that is happening in the stock, and there is interest coming from some of the segments in the market. That is why this stock is getting pushed up. So here we have put a plot of how the price rank has moved in the last 4 months. In July, KEC's price rank was at 57.9. It took a dip little to reach 45, and after that it started climbing up. Now it is at 78. There are two reasons price ranks can go up. One is when the stock price goes up substantially against the market, other stocks in the market, or if the stock remains at the same level and the market goes down. So that then too the ranking remains or goes higher. So KEC did not go up in price. It remained at same levels when the market went down. That is why the ranking went up here. So there is something getting strong in the stock. That's why we put this image of a person with muscles. Next, going to business growth. How is the business growing for KEC? We have again put a plot here for sales growth, earnings growth, and net profit margins. How much margins the company is having. Generally, when margins go up, profit go up. Here for KEC, sales has been negative. It was about 10% something in September 2017. It did inch up a little, and afterwards it started sliding down. Now it's gone below zero. Profits, which was very good at 80% growth, slowly declined, and now it's also coming close to zero. Margins, that is one thing which is peculiar here. Margins are going up. In spite of margins going up, profit is dropping. That means something is wrong. It's not good. So this gives a kind of a suspicion on the stock. So we think the stock is losing on some front. That is why that image of a loser is put there. And coming to investor interest. How are the investors positioning themselves in the stock? FIIs and insurance companies are confident on the stock. They have been buying the stock. This dark blue line is the FII interest, and yellow line is the insurance company's interest. Both are going up. Whereas domestic institutions, mutual funds and retail are shying away. They are not even, in fact, retail investors have been selling, mutual funds have been selling, domestic institutions also have been selling in a smaller level. So if FIIs are buying, that means there is something good happening in the stock. Otherwise, smart money will not come and chase a stock. So it's worth a look. When smart money is buying, we should also be positioned into the stock. Let's look at how the chart patterns are as we go to the next slides. So again, we have captured 2 period charts. One is monthly and one is weekly. If you see in on the monthly chart of KEC, there is a beautiful weakness coming on the bear side. When the price goes down, indicator gives a higher high. That means there is something going positive for the stock. It's finding it difficult to go down. When something is not going to go down, the opposite side is to go up. So that's what happened in the stock. It had a buy reversal coming up in June, and that buy trade actually did well. It went on for 2 to 3 months, and afterwards it became sideways. That yellow patch which we have put there is the stock is struggling there. So when we talked in the ranking chart, we said that either the price has to go up or stay at the same level for the ranking to move up. Here what has happened is price started going up and it started staying at the same place for nearly 2 months. That is the reason. And this period, whole market went down. So hence the stock ranking has moved up. And also the stock is trending while it is struggling at the right edge after having given a very good move. About 40% profit has been captured in this new trend. Whereas somebody wants to buy this stock, you should buy only in the buy zone and have a trailing stop. Current stop is 306.15. So this stock is bullish trending and it is hugging the zone. Price is almost in the last 1.5 months, price is close to the zone. Current zone is 305 to 325. So disclaimer, all views shared here are thoughts and ideas on the stock and markets. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell a stock. You can do your judgment and make your decision to buy the stock. Thank you.